Hello friends, in Advanced Web Designing we are learning CSS and our today's topic is ID Class Universal Group Selector with External CSS. As I told you, I will show you how to use these different selectors using external CSS in program or in web page. So let's see, I have made a simple program of external CSS by taking a link tag, as we have already seen that how to use this external CSS with link tag. Its attribute is rel relation, its type text and CSS, and href, that is the CSS file that I have made here. See, I have made the external CSS file. That you have to make it simply in notepad and type this file like this. See, this is ID selector and I have chosen the same properties, and this is class selector as we have learned, and this is simply our CSS file, nothing else, and we will see how it will work in program. So the link tag, I have just imported that file in CSS by using href attribute of link tag. See, I have taken three tags h1, h2, h3 and just given the class name intro that is present in our external CSS, and for p tag I have given here a para, that is para is our ID. So let's see if it is applied to these class and IDs are applied to web page or not. So simply we can run the program. If we run the program, we can see the changes here, as the color is blue and it is the alignment is appearing in center. So this is h1 tag with class intro, h2 tag with class intro, h3 tag with class intro, and this is simply paragraph tag with ID. So that's how we can use this in CSS. So if you want to group or universally you want to make a universal tag, then simply if you are erasing this and making this universal, let's say we can make this universal, and I am simply making its color green. You can take any color, and I am simply, you can keep it or remove it, but you have to remove the classes from here. If I remove class from here, I'm not importing any class to file, then your universal selector will be applied to each and every tag. Let's see, I will show you. If I am using universal selector in external CSS here, and I'm simply saving this, save this, and if you rerun this file, then the universally the color will be green, will be applied to all the text. You can take any color. I am just showing you the universal selector example. And one more thing is remaining with what is the group selector. If, let's see, I will change here. If I will erase this and I will simply take h1 comma h2 comma h3 comma p. So I am grouping this, so this will be your group selector. And if I save this program and rerun this program, then see the everyone's color is green and everyone's is appearing in say at center. If I change this color, then it will be get change in program. So if I refresh this, then this color is getting in maroon now. So this is all about how we can use ID class, universal selector and group selector with external CSS. I hope you understand and you like the video. Thank you so much.